Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to speak about prompt template, and we will learn how we can use the prompt template and all the sort of things with the help of prompt template, how we can optimize the code, how we can optimize our prompt, all the sort of things we will see. But before that, I just wanted to give you the context. In the previous video, we have seen about the LLM and chat-based LangChain, all the sort of things and all the things we have discussed, and what are different kind of parameters and argument we can pass with that. So, what is prompt template? So, prompt template is the templates allow us to easily configure and modify our input prompt to LLM calls, and template offer a more systematic approach to passing in variable to prompts for models. And instead of using f string literal or format calls, the prompt template convert this into the function parameter names that we can pass it. So prompt template, let's start the prompt template, how we can do that things. So for that, what we can do, just create a new notebook. Let me create a new notebook, and inside of this notebook, again, I will select my kernel, and simple, I will read my first API key. So open, and here I am going to pass OpenAI API key text file, and here I'm going to pass API key is equal to f dot read. So this is our API key. Let me execute this, and I got my API key. Now what I can use, I will initialize my LLM object, and I will ask a simple question, the same question. Here is the fun fact about the Pluto. So Pluto is only dwarf planet in the solar system that has not been visited by spacecraft. This is the answer that has been given by this LLM. Now, as we already mentioned, we can pass the list of these things, and in that case, we have to call the generate function. So this second, yeah, we got this, and also we can check the schema, and this is the schema. And yeah, if you have to check the result object, this is again is the object. So let me see that result object is these things. Now we are going to use language model template. Okay, so what I can do, I will import few libraries from LangChain, import prompt template, and yeah. So first of all, we'll ask this question without input variable. Okay, so an example, a prompt with no input variable, what you can see. So no, let me create this no input prompt, sorry, spelling mistake. And here I can pass create a prompt template object, and inside of this I can pass the input variable, and I will not pass any kind of input variable as of now. And here I am going to pass the template, and here I am going to ask the question. So tell me a fact. Okay, that's the thing. And now I can do that. Now this is my prompt, and now if I'll check no prompt, no input prompt, and format format, and if I'll use key error input variables. Oh, key error, why this key error is there? Input, okay, I have to use input variables instead of input variable. And you can see what are the parameters we have. Format, I can see this is giving me tell me a fact. This is the template, right? Now single input variable, let's suppose if I have to pass the single input variable. So very simple, So I'm going to pass one input prompt, and here I'm going to pass prompt template input variable topic. We can pass the topic and tell me a fact about the topic. You can see this is very simple. Now one input variable and format, and here I'm going to pass this like Mars. Okay, so it will consider the prompt like tell me a fact about Mars. So runtime we can pass the, we can say like topic name. Okay, so if I'm executing this, so it is giving me tell me fact about Mars. And let's suppose if I'm going to give a Earth, and it will give tell me about the Earth. Okay, so yeah, so we can see like in number of input variable, like one input variable. Similarly, if you want to check the multiple input variable, simple, inside of this list we can pass the multiple input as well. So like this, so topic and label. So you can see tell me the fun fact about the topic like Earth for the student one class or two class level or eighth grade, and you can see this we are going to get the complete prompt. So this is that. Now let's do, this is the LLM based, right? Now I'm going to talk about the chat model template. Okay, so here is the chat model template. Chat model template. And chat model template actually is required a list of chat message called a prompt, which is different from raw string that you would input into the language model. Each message in the prompt is associated with a role such as AI, human, or system. And as I already declared in my discussed my in my previous video, like what is AI system, what is system prompt, what is human prompt, right? Human prompt will come as an input from the human side. System prompt is actually like if you have to give the additional assistant to the system how to generate the output, then we can use these things. So for instance, like when using the open AI chat completion API, a chat message can be assigned the role of AI, human, or system, and the model is designed to pay closer attention to instruction provided in system chat message. Okay, so hope we understood how the chat model template works. So without getting delay, let me import some libraries. So from langchain dot prompts, import import, and let's import some libraries. And here I'm going to import chat prompt template, chat prompt template, comma, I'm going to import prompt template. Also we can import system message prompt template, system message prompt template. Also we can import AI message prompt template, and additionally we can import human message prompt template. Okay, so I think we are good. So we have imported these things. Okay, this bracket mistake it is. So yeah, we imported this library, and also we will import few more package called from langchain dot schema, and import, here I'm gonna import AI message, comma, human message, human message, comma, system message, system message. And yeah, that's all. We imported this package. Now let's talk about how we can use. Let's suppose I'm going to create a system template. So system template, I'm giving the instruction to the systems and template. You are an AI recipe assistant that is specialized in dietary preference. So they can give like vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and dishes that can be prepared in cooking time, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. We have to wait. This is a system. I have given the message to the my system instruction. This message I'm going to give the to the to my system while generating the output. Now I will, what I can do, system prompt where is that system message prompt template and dot from template. I will use this from template, and here I can pass system template, uh, system template, and that's all. And we can store this inside of system message prompt, system message prompt. Okay, so yeah, that is fine. And now if you want to check what are the input variable it needed, system message prompt dot input variable, uh, input variables, and if I will execute this, you can see there is a two input we needed to execute this message. Or number one, dietary preference, and number two is the cooking time, right? So yeah, now let's talk about human template. Okay, so we'll create a human template equal to, and here I'm going to use like this, and here I'm going to give a recipe request. Like human can pass pasta, vegetarian item, non-vegetarian item, whatever they want. And then I'm going to do the same thing how we did for the system message prompt template. Similarly, here I'm going to pass human message prompt template and dot from template, and here I'm going to pass human template, human template. And we can store these things inside of human message score prompt, and we can store these things inside of this. Now if you want to check what are the inputs are there inside of human message prompt, so simple input variables, and we can call this is the input only. Okay, very nice. Now now if I will check, now I have to combine this system message and human message prompt template, right? System message prompt and human message prompt we have to combine, right? So what we can call chat prompt template dot from message, and here I can pass a list of all those things. Right now we have a system and human. In future if we need a AI prompt template, that also we can introduce here. So system message prompt comma human message prompt, and we can pass this list, and that's all. And we can store this inside of chat underscore prompt. Now we are combining the system and human, and also we can check now including this system message prompt and human message prompt what are the inputs are there. So we can use this input variables, and you can see this got combined, what are the inputs we needed, right? So so that is fine. And now I am going to create a complete prompt. So see, now langchain when will create a complete prompt, right? So I will do chat prompt dot from prompt, where is that chat prompt? Okay, sorry, format, actually it should be format prompt. And inside of this format, what I can do, cooking time. So we know cooking time is there, no? Okay, we have to write that cooking underscore time, and I'm going to pass cooking time is equal to 15 minutes, and so, and comma, what are the next in these things is there. So input dietary, item, dietary preference, and here I can pass veg. So comma, and here I'm going to pass recipe request, and here I'm going to pass quick snack. So recipe request I can give inside of veg, like paneer we can give, or palak paneer. And that's all. And we have to convert this inside of message. So to message, that's all, and that's thing. And now we got the system message. You are the AI recipe assistant that is specialized in veg dishes that can prepared in 15 minutes. Complete prompt has been created. And human message is the palak paneer. Okay. So this I can, we understood, right? And now we have a chat template, chat prompt we have converted. And now call, we can use this inside of request. Okay. Request, we can store inside of this request. And now we have to call, did we imported OpenAI key at all? I don't think so we have imported yet. So if not, I think we have imported the API key. We have to initialize one thing like chat model, right? So let me initialize the chat model because API key has been already imported. So this is the chat model is imported now. Simple, we know the request what to pass. Result is equal to chat, and inside of chat we can pass request and this all, and we will get the result. And we have a result now. I hope still it is executing. Yeah, it got done and we have a result. This is the AI message. And if you want to check the content, it's very simple. Read down and you can see here is the quick and easy recipe for the palak paneer that can be prepared in just 15 minutes. And these are the ingredient, instruction, all those things has been given, right? So yeah, hope this is about the prompt template and we can use what are the different functions are available. So yeah, that's all about the prompt template, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, then please subscribe the channel, and so that you guys can stay updated with the course and the things whatever we are launching. Yeah, so with this, thank you.